What's up, guys? It's me, Vinal Rizvi, roaming around the streets of Poland. So it's snowing today. I'm not wearing the snow clothes, and suddenly it started snowing. So I thought to show it to you guys. So I wanted to go to Old Town PKS, the main station, because I had to do some shopping. So I thought of showing it to you guys. But as soon as I got to my home, it's snowing! Wow! And it's $1 million snow. I love this snow. Look at my all. It's beautiful. I like snow so much. So I am heading back to home, and then I'm gonna get better clothes for myself, a good jacket, a parachute jacket, so that I don't get wet because of the snow, because the snow will melt in a while on my clothes, not here. It's the predictions are it's gonna snow all day. So, oh, it's so cold. I can't even hold my phone in my hand. So I'm gonna go home now. It's snowing very much. So I'll catch up with the guys later after getting my jacket, after getting my snow jacket. I'm waiting for the bus right now, so I thought of making an intro for you guys. Then we'll meet up at the PKS station to do some to buy some shoes or something. I'm gonna show you the wholesale market over here. It's the special thing about, I hate shopping, but the special thing about that shopping expenditure is that it's a wholesale market. You can get cheap stuff from there, souvenirs for when you come visit here, and a lot of things, shoes, clothes, Polish stuff. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys then. Adios. So hey guys, I went to home and I got my jacket, my winter jacket. Look, it's pretty weird. I don't like it very much, but still I needed it. And I got my gloves, and now I'm heading to PKS. I'm gonna show you the beautiful market over there. It's a street market. I don't know what to call it. It's a weird market, but you get a lot of good things from there for good prices. So I just wanted to show it to you guys. And look at the snow. It's snowing so much, and I'm again covered in snow. My whole pants, myself, my eyes, my everything. Oh my god. And I just want to let you know that it's pretty cool. I've never been in snow, so people do not travel or get out of their homes in so much snow. But I have never seen snow, because in my country it did snow, but where I lived it never snowed. So I like it a lot, and I wanted to see snow and wanted to experience how it feels like. And I wanted to experience how it felt like to be in snowfall. So that's why I came out. And my bus is going. I gotta run. I gotta see you guys later. So hey guys, I'm at PKS, and as soon as you get off the PKS station, this is the PKS station. It's all Lublin, Old Town, the most beautiful place of Lublin, the most beautiful place of Poland. And here at the back are those markets just on the road, on the street. It's a weird market, but it's pretty cool. They sell you stuff for very, very low prices, and you should definitely come over here when you visit Lublin. This is the main place of Lublin. They sell you. I just bought this umbrella over here because it was snowing, and I wanted an umbrella because I'm getting snowy. So I visited this market, and it's the main road is going, and it's pretty beautiful. The weather is pretty good outside, and the whole market. This is a very cheap market, a discount market. You can say a discount market, like discount stores. And look at the umbrellas over there, the rainbow umbrellas. I bought a simple black umbrella. So I'm gonna discover more of Lublin now, or I'm just gonna go home because it's snowing a lot. I don't know, but for now this is it. I just wanted to show you the beautiful snow today. It's so beautiful in Lublin at the moment. It's snowing and snowing, and I like it a lot. So you guys should definitely come visit over here. And until then, this is your friend Minal Rizvi signing out.